All right, good morning on this Saturday and what's going to be a busy weather weekend here in North Texas. Threat for some severe weather, strong winds throughout the day today, potential for a little flooding as well, more storm chances tomorrow. Let's talk about all of it. DFW to the west and the northwest, the highest threat for severe weather, 3 to 4 on a scale of 5 for today and into tonight. Now, this doesn't tell the whole story. I think we got 2 chances for thunderstorms, one of which kind of remains to see if it's going to happen because the cap's in place. The second of which will be overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. That's the round that it has a much higher chance of basically everybody seeing storms and would carry the potential of maybe a little better threat for some severe storms late this evening and overnight tonight. Let's talk about it. Before all that happens, though, we got a wind advisory in place for all of North Texas. The wind's just going to be gusty today regardless, 20 to 30 miles an hour, gusting over 40 miles an hour from the south, and rounds of heavy rain could cause additional flooding. We saw that yesterday in portions of Kaufman County. 1 to 3 inches possible with some isolated higher amounts than that. Highest chances for flooding will be in areas that saw the better rain totals yesterday and the flooding yesterday. Then we do it all over again tomorrow with a chance for some thunderstorms, especially across the eastern half of the area. We'll talk more about that coming up. In the meantime, it's mild, it's muggy, 74, it's breezy, 23-mile-an-hour gusts at the moment. All is quiet right now, and I expect it to stay quiet for the meantime because we do have a cap in place. That cap is breakable, but we will see if it actually does break as we head into the afternoon. If it does, it would be an isolated storm or 2 or 3, but they would be those supercell type of storms that would be capable of hail, wind, and would carry a tornado threat as well. What we'll be also watching is out to the west to the northwest. Some thunderstorms form that way during the late afternoon and evening. Most of that activity stays outside of North Texas, but some of it can move into northeastern or northwestern areas during the evening hours. You see how most of DFW is quiet during that time. Into the early nighttime hours, DFW is quiet, but here comes a line of storms that's going to sweep across the area overnight tonight, arriving DFW 2 to 3 to 4 in the morning, moves east to DFW as we start the day tomorrow, and then it'll continue moving east during the afternoon and evening hours. So during the kind of afternoon, evening today, cap in place, storms may not form, but if they do form, they would be significantly severe, but there might only be a few of them out there. So we still need to stay weather aware this afternoon and this evening, but I'm not guaranteeing storms for everybody. But if one forms, it would be significant. Then a round of storms very likely tonight. Remember, they form to the west, then sweep across the area overnight and into the morning hours. My main concerns with that would be some winds and perhaps up to a quarter to golf ball size hail. And then the tornado threat with that would be just those spin-ups within the line of storms. Usually they're a little weaker, but they can certainly be damaging, and they're short-lived. Tomorrow, your Sunday, starts off with some storms. That round kind of fizzles out, but then redevelops as we head through the afternoon and evening, mostly across eastern North Texas. Any of that activity would carry a severe threat. So DFW, you are dry during the afternoon and evening hours tomorrow, but east of DFW has that severe threat as we talked about. Golf ball size hail, some damaging winds, and that tornado threat not going to be 0 either. Next 2 weeks look like this. It's pretty active, not only this weekend, but as we start May as well. We end April dry, Monday and Tuesday of this week, warm and dry, but then storm chances return as we head through the rest of the week into next weekend. We're just stuck in this active pattern here where every day is warm, breezy, and muggy, and then we'll also have some higher chances for storms here or there over the next 2 weeks as well.